Hello guys, are you tired of buying multiple machines to just get the work done? Let me show you some things. This, a compact powerhouse behind me, is a 4-in-1 handheld laser device, and it's everything your workshop has been missing. It combines laser cutting, laser welding, laser cleaning, and wide band cleaning, all in one single machine. That's right, 4 major functions in one portable unit. Instead of investing in 2 or 3 patent machines, this smart solution saves your service money and space. It's built for those who want a high performance or a tight budget. Perfect for small shops or business expanding their service capabilities without breaking the bank. If you are also looking for versatility, value, and performance, this is a machine you've been waiting for. Don't wait, just message me and get a quote. Your 4-in-1 laser solutions just one message away.